Introducing the luxurious and feature-packed diesel Estatejeep. This vehicle boasts top-of-the-line comfort and accessories features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and Bluetooth phone. Safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The stylish chrome package, roof rails, and LED lights make heads turn wherever you go. With a limited slip differential and stop and start system, this car is fuel efficient and powerful. Plus, enjoy the convenience of self-driving and over-air updates. Rest assured with a full health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specifications. Call us now or visit spiritskoda.ie for more details.